Patanjali has described 8 limbs of yoga, which are known as Ashtanga Yoga. They are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. Yamas. It is a series of rules for right living or ethical values. The yamas include ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truth, asatya, non-stealing, brahmacharya, celibacy, and aparigraha, absence of avarice. They are associated with the internal emotions of a person. A person who does not follow the path of satya, ahimsa, and other ethical values not only damages his own individual dignity but also harms the society and nation. It happens due to the negative and disturbed emotions present in the body. Its association is with Mooladhara Chakra. Disturbed emotions like untruthfulness, violence, desire, and other such disgraceful deeds end after the awakening of energy of Mooladhara Chakra. Niyamas, the observances. This is the second limb of 8 limbs of Patanjali Yoga Sutras. It is a set of prescribed actions codified as niyamas, which are observances, requirements, and obligations such as shaucha, cleanliness of thought, mind, and body, santosha, satisfaction and contentment, tapas, penance, spiritual efforts, and austerity, swadhyaya, study of the self for the awakening of the soul and God within, Ishvara Pranidhana, surrender to God. These are associated with the character of a person. It is a loss to oneself if one does not adopt the niyamas in life, as a consequence of which society also has to suffer the loss. They are associated with the Swadhisthana Chakra. By adopting niyamas in life, the Swadhisthana Chakra gets awakened. Asanas, body postures. Asana are associated with the disease-free body and healthy gross body. They are associated with the Manipura or Nabhi Chakra. After the awakening of Manipura or Nabhi Chakra, digestive and other physical disorders heal. Pranayamas. It involves extension of the life force by breath control. This is related to the Anahata Chakra, which is situated in the lungs and the heart region. By the awakening of this chakra, the life force can be strengthened by maintaining a perfect heart and respiratory system. Pratyahara, sensory withdrawal. Pratyahara is associated with the Vishuddhi Chakra. After the awakening of this chakra, attachment of the sense organs to external objects starts withdrawing, and the practitioner can achieve control over the sense organs. Dharana, concentration. It involves concentration of the mind along with the retention of breath. Dharana is associated with the Agnya Chakra. To stabilize the mind at a single focus after its withdrawal through the practice of Pratyahara is called Dharana. Dhyana, meditation. Dhyana is associated with the Manas Chakra or Bindu Chakra. The Manas Chakra awakens when the complete flow of consciousness and life force is controlled, stabilized, and stored within the body through the practice of Dharana. Samadhi, deep transcendental meditation. It is a state of total equilibrium of a detached intellect. Sahasrara Chakra awakens when the practitioner is free from all the disorders and desires and he is established in the void, which is the true self or nature of the object, through meditation. This state is also known as Samadhi or blissful state.